Habang lumalaki si baby, importante ang hugs. Iyan ang pabaon ko para he feels safe. Pero my hugs may also pass on germs. Kaya I don't compromise. I trust only Safeguard's 24-hour germ protection. Ang hugs ko ngayon, pabaon sa buhay. Safeguard.
Uy! Angas ng tato!
Wow! Mas maangas tong extra hot chili.
Talaga, ha?
Lucky Me Pancit Canton Extra Hot Chili. The hottest, chiliest Pancit Canton experience.
Kaalaman na!
Suwabe sa sarap. Angas anghang. Lucky Me Pancit Canton Extra Hot Chili. Ang hangas!
Nang umulan ng grasya at nagpasabog ng tangkad, tulog ka. Okay lang.
Your wish is granted.
You can still reach for the stars. Star Cheese Dog at new Star Chunky Cheese Corned Beef. Cheesy, masarap, at with height-building nutrients. Kaya ikaw, Staray! Star Nutri-Meats. Angat ka!
Say cheese!
Corned beef!
Say cheese!
Corned beef!
Say cheese!
Corned beef!
Ibang klase!
Ibang klase talaga ang Star Chunky Cheese Corned Beef. Dahil ngayon lang pinagsama ang cheese at corned beef. Masarap na, may height-building nutrients pa.
Cheesy, cheesy!
Say corned beef!
Star Chunky Cheese!
Perfect!
I got my tibay. Just na lang ngayon ang Bear Brand Swak.
Sa Bear Brand Swak Pack may tibay araw-araw. Just na lang!
I got my tibay. Just na lang ngayon ang Bear Brand Swak. Araw-araw na ang tibay mo. Just na lang ang Bear Brand Swak. Araw-arawin mo ang tibay. I got my tibay. Just na lang ngayon ang Bear Brand Swak.
Sa Bear Brand Swak Pack may tibay araw-araw. Just na lang! From Nestle.